proud of myself. I am surprised when I see people they complain about their height. I'm tall and short. See, let me tell you, one thing you don't know, God is not a man that should lie. 2016, I went to my community where they were shooting guns. Shot a man like me. It's not for my heart, I could not die. When they shoot gun, everybody, top people they rob me, shot them down. Or where I just stroke. When they shoot the gun and they were car. You know, kill us. So be proud of who you are. When we come here, they share things. They check all the table with food. So eat what you know. We don't go wedding before they give share food. Not do one man no chop. They bring fried rice and chop. Chicken fast and chop. I'm surprised when they bring this thing called money fresh. You know, say when you get the kind of money fresh we see, go different. When they carry one yellow money fresh, you man collect and pop drink. Small time phone come up, they come up from they rush out. That is the power of enjoyment. Problem in this country, and they tell people, no matter how sad is this country, Nigeria is one of the best countries so far. I tell people, now for only this country go stop that city, go open up from inside. I beg. One I tell you, what you have from outside? One I ask them, see no man. I'm entertaining them. Like one thing about me, I entertain rich people. What will I say? They spray you. Because you are spraying. No, I'm sorry. Family man, like this. Just pray as your mind need is pray. Now I perform for you. When I started comedy in 2016, my first word is praying. Now for only this country go stop that city, go open up from inside. I beg. One I tell you, what you have from outside? One I ask them, see no man. I'm entertaining them. Like one thing about me, I entertain rich people. What will I say? They spray you. Because you are spraying. No, I'm sorry. Family man, like this. Just pray as your mind need is pray. Now I perform for you. When I started comedy in 2016, my first wedding is praying. My first wedding, my mama believes in a comedy for paying. Just be praying. My mama believes in a comedy for paying. I anchor traditional marriage. They pay me 150,000 naira. When I return, I give my mama 50K to make it. I'm not sure. They really need to be spraying now. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my time. My name is Ringtone At.